In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to receive a supply order and how to update a material stock level. If you run out of a material, you can make a supply order. Click on Purchases, click on Receive Supply Order, choose the supplier, and you can also edit the date that you received the order. Add your material. Edit the unit price and the quantity that you order. Then you can add some discounts, your taxes, and your shipping cost. Click Save. Then you can go to your materials page and you will see that the material stock level is already updated. Also, you can update the material stock level in your materials page. Click on the stock level of the material that you want to update, and we are going to give you 3 choices if you want to update it as a supply order, audit, or product testing. I'm going to show you how each one of the options work. So if you update selecting supply order, click on the quantity that you want to update, some notes. Once you click update, we're automatically going to pull the supply order for you to edit all the details. Click save and you're going to see that the stock level is going to be updated. Now with the audit, you're going to do the same process. Choose the stock level that you currently have, a reason for difference. Once you click update, we automatically update the stock level of that specific material. And if you choose product testing, you're going to input the quantity that you use, some notes, and you click update and the process is the same. We automatically update the material stock level for you. These are the 3 ways that you can update a stock level of a material in Inventora.